Hi, so let's understand the concept of input-output delays. So basically, let's say you have this block. Okay? So you have this block, and on this input port A, you're defining input delay. So what should be the value of that input delay? Basically, when you're defining input delay, you're telling the tool that what is the amount of time taken outside this block for data to reach this port. So basically what you're saying is how much time is taken by this path before it reaches this port. And to define that, what it will be your clock to queue output delay and the delay taken by M, which is this clock to queue delay plus M. So this is the value you will be specifying for the input delay. So when you start timing on this particular flop, you know how much delay outside path is taking, how much delay N is taking, and you can appropriately calculate setup and hold time. The same situation happens when you're trying to define an output delay. So you have this block, and on the output out of this block, which is B, you want to define output delay. So output delay means whatever is outside this, how much delay, how much time is used in this. So time used in that is T plus T setup of this flop, which comes to this, and this is the value you should be specifying as output delay. So both input delay and output delay specify the delay that should be accounted for outside the block. Input delay on the input side, output delay on the output side. Input delay captures clock to queue plus the delay in the logic. Output delay, the delay in the logic, and the setup time of the capture flop. And those are the values which are used to define input and output delays. Typically, you're not going to calculate these exact values. You specify these values as some percentage of clock period, let's say 10%, 20% to 30%, depending upon what kind of design house it is. But that is how you, as a rule of thumb, define.